Ala, sige, kanya-kanyang video, kanya-kanyang picture. We are here at Botanical Garden. Tara guys, pasok na tayo. Wow! No, it's okay. Ganda guys. Wow, ang ganda guys. As in, super, super ganda. $1,000,000 ang tawag namin dito guys. Yung iba naman, Mel Flores. Wow! Hi guys! Ang gaganda naman! Exit na tayo guys! Bye Botanical Garden!